In today's fast-paced work environment, burnout, stress, and joint pain are far too common. The demands of the day can leave you feeling disconnected and drained. But what if you could reclaim well-being without missing a beat? Introducing WellFests, your go-to solution for integrating wellness into your workday. Whether you're at your desk, traveling, or working remotely, WellFests helps you and your team thrive. Studies show short wellness breaks can boost productivity by up to 30%, reduce stress, and ease physical strain. With the WellFest Digital Studio, you'll gain instant access to desk-friendly movement and stretch sessions to stay balanced throughout your day. Need something more interactive? Live wellness breaks and workshops via Zoom engage your team, boost morale, and build a healthier work culture. On the road, our well-traveled blueprints keep you energized with wellness during travel routines and at offsites. Tired of working through lunch? Flow Socials bring connection into your day with lunchtime yoga alongside your favorite work-from-home friends, even when you're miles apart. Transform your workday with WellFests, where personal well-being fuels professional excellence wherever you're working from. Visit wellfest.com to get started today.